Need help moving, decluttering, cleanup, or home office beautification? Call text 905-984-9344. Who? Ask for Superman Can, your local property manager and handyman helper.
Me.
My name is Owen Blake. Some people call me Superman because I work hard and get things done faster and more efficiently than most. I live and work in Niagara and have been involved in the property management and construction industry with lots of projects across Ontario, helping people move, update, repair, and/or beautify their homes or businesses when they may not be able to do it on their own, without a little help. My team. My team is made up of me, Superman, and others I trust to complete tasks carefully and exactly as promised. You can try us out for a few hours at a time. I am here to help with real estate and rental issues. I believe I understand the frustrations of families, businesses, tenants, landlords, and property managers who are unable to find reliable help. I find it so much easier with a team. No job is too complex for me or my team. Skills and talent checklist. Moving, including estate, home, and apartments, including boxing and labeling. Decluttering, including decluttering and beautification. Demolition, framing, drywalling, painting, including touch-ups. Tree, bush, hedge trimming, removal, including landscaping and snow. Laminate flooring, including carpet cleaning and/or carpet removal. General maintenance, including TV mounting, assembly, and minor repairs. Vehicle detailing, including cleaning and on-site power washing. Metal/scrap pickup, including garbage runs and donation drop-offs. Fencing, including hole digging, leveling, framing, and backyard beautification.